Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami box that can open and close. First, you are going to fold it horizontally or vertically or whatever you want to call it first. And then after that you will unfold it and then fold it the other way, like so. After that, you unfold it and then fold it diagonally. Unfold it. Fold it the other way diagonally. Then you fold the corner in along the lines of the folds and then do it the opposite side. Then you fold it in like that. Do it to the other side. After that, look at the lines that are in the middle of that. And now I have some technical difficulties. You can skip over this part. Okay, I got it. So then, after you fold them to meet the lines, you fold them down. Then, you fold the triangles on the corner or on the side of them into the middle line. Do that with the other side. Then, you fold the triangle that is above those two triangles down to meet the sides of the two triangles. Fold it back along the lines. And this part is optional. You can get the glue and glue them all together. Now, right now, I can't really find my glue stick that I'm going crazy. I found my glue stick. I used almost glue. And then I just glued all of the parts down so that it would stick better. I did the same exact thing that I did to the first side, again, to the other side. I glued this part the same way that I glued the other part, but the last part I forgot to glue the two flaps down. So I did it with this part, and then I went back to do it with the other side. You can also glue the flaps that are inside the box down, and I find it easier, I like it that way. You don't have to glue anything down. Remember, this is all optional. Good job! You finished your box. You can put a little origami notebook inside of it and deliver it to someone else as a gift. Hope you liked the video.